Hello, young artists. Hope you all well. As you know, this is Christmas month, so let's make a wreath. A wreath is an arrangement of flowers, fruits, leaves, and other decorations like balls, bells, ribbons, etc. It represents the everlasting life brought through Jesus, and the circular shape of the wreath represents God with no beginning and no end. Start by taking a small plate, keep it in the center of the sheet, press it from the center and trace it with a pencil. You'll have a circle like this. Now take a foil paper, crush it into a ball. Take green color on the plate. Dip the ball on the color and now press it along the circle. Take more color as and when needed. Dab, dab, dab. Don't drag it. Don't drag. Just dab it along the circular line that you made with a pencil. Okay, fill it up completely. Now after it dries a little, take the yellow color. Just add a little of yellow on top of your green color. Very little. Now let it dry before we decorate it. After it's dried, now let's make some flowers. You may also make some cherries. Decorate it as you like. Enjoy!